Classification. It is a branch of biology in which the arrangement of organism or groups of organism in distinct categories in accordance with the particular and well established plan. The classification is based on similarities and dissimilarities among the organisms. Means we will see the similarities in the organism, or what is the difference between two organisms, or similarities of the two organisms. The term classification was coined by A.P.D. Candolle. Scientist A.P.D. Candolle. Scientist A.P.D. Candolle was coined the term classification. Why we need to classify the animals? So classification is very important. So need of classification. We will see the next topic, need of classification. Need of classification. First is, there is a large number of living organisms found on the earth. All these organisms shows variations in their shape, size, structure, habitat, nutrition. So all plants or animals or microorganisms are not similar. They different in shape, size, structure or habitat. They will found on earth, terrestrial. When these organisms are found in water, is aquatic. Both earth and water is amphibian. Or some plants are present inside the animals, called is parasites. So need of classification is very important. So there is large number of living organisms found on earth. All these organisms shows variations in the shape, size, structure, habitat, nutrition, etc. Second point is, it is very difficult to remember the characteristics of all the organisms without their proper arrangement. So second need is proper arrangement of the organisms in the different class or kingdom, division, class, subclass, etc. These are the hierarchy of taxonomy. Third is, the classification helps to explain unity in diversity of the organism. Means all the plants and all the animals are different in shape, size, but some similarities are there in the in their structure, shape or evolution. It gives specific and scientific names to the organism which are accepted universally. Classification after identification, classification is important. So when the animal found, then description is done and name of the animal or plant or microorganism is given. It is specific and scientific names. Scientific names. Classification is done by scientific names. Means scientific names means a binomial nomenclature is the way to given scientific names to the animals. We see the binomial nomenclature further. Scientific names are universal or globally accepted. The fifth point is, it reveals the relationship among the various groups of organisms. The classification places an organism amongst those we have common characteristics. Means common, when the organism have common characters, they are placed in same division or same class or same kingdom. Like all plants are placed in kingdom Plantae. When the characters are similar, all the plants are kept in the kingdom Plantae. When we found animals, they placed in the kingdom Animalia. So all the animals are placed in the same kingdom, that is Animalia. So need of classification is very important to study the plants or animals in scientific way or in scientific process.